All right, team, cooler coming up.
Wow, it's heavy! Adventure time!
You bet. Ready? All right, cooler is in.
Got your backpack? Yep, all ready.
Great. Let's go.
Okay, I've got the list. Sleeping bags, check.
Yep, duffel bag is in.
And the chairs?
All set.
Whee! Look how high! Just a second, almost done. Okay, but hurry!
All right, everyone. It's time to go.
Okay! Wow, look at that car! Yeah, let's go see! I get the front door. Okay, I'll get the other one.
All right, trunk's closing.
Okay, kids, in you go.
Shotgun!
Settle down, everyone. All right, let's go.
Yay, adventure!
What a beautiful morning.
Go faster, Dad! Wow, look at that red owl! And that garden is huge! This is the best ride ever!
Are you ready for the mountain trip?
Look, birds flying! They're so high up!
Who wants a snack?
I do!
Here you go, my loves.
Thank you! Wow, we're here! Let's go explore!
All right, stay close. What a lovely trail.
I see a bird!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Can we go further?
Look, children, a butterfly.
It's so pretty! Wow, where is it going?
It's exploring the forest.
Wow, this forest is amazing!
It is. Stay close now.
Mommy, take our picture!
Oh, gee.
Wow, look at those mountains!
They're gigantic. I've never seen anything like it.
It's magical!
What a breathtaking view.
It's so peaceful here.
I love it! Wow, look!
All right, let's see what we have.
Wow, sandwiches and fruit! Yay!
Here you go, champ. Dig in. This is delicious.
I'm so glad we're all together.
This is the best! Can I have a bite? Of course, here you go. Thanks! Wow, butterflies, come here! I almost got one! You're so fast and pretty! Wow, the grass is so tall!
It is. The wind makes it dance.
It's like the wind is playing! Oh, a stream! It's so beautiful! Look, the water is so clear! Yes, but let's be careful. Wow, I see fish! It's so cold, but it feels nice. Watch this! Yes, it skipped!
See the river? It flows calmly, just like our minds can. Exactly. Nature helps us.
I'll get this side, Mom.
Perfect, Bella. Pull it nice and tight.
Okay, all done. Goodbye, beautiful mountains.
What a lovely walk. Time to head back.
It was perfect. The kids had so much fun.
Yay, we're almost there.
All right, buddy, in it goes.
Yay, is it heavy, Dad?
Not too bad. Ready for our picnic?
Yes.